If you, in your master planning process, have a need for detailed capacity planning or maybe bottleneck planning, I would suggest you to get an external tool to do that, or an app. So we have our self-built app into Business Central. You could also use Power BI or other BI stuff to extract data, and that will be possible to do some very nice capacity planning. And I'll show you just where to get the entries from that. If you go into the planning worksheet, just to show you what is actually here, and I've done a plan in here, and I take one of the lines, navigating into the routing for that line, and navigating further from the routing into the allocated capacity entries. So this table, the capacity need, the capacity entries in here are run or set up for both planning lines, and in the same table we have allocated capacity for firm planned and released production orders. So with this data you can actually extract and have some very nice capacity overviews, and you can use it in different Gantt charts that are in the market where you can see the capacity, or you could use it for extracting and do bottleneck planning, or you could have some apps in here in Business Central for bottleneck planning where you can stretch out the capacities so all your production orders will be in a nicely line, not going into allocated capacity higher than whatever percentage you would like. So those are the data you need in here.